Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, baby. Hello. Okay. What's up, guys? How are you guys doing? Guys, let us quickly make starch. Starch. How to make starch? Okay, I got you guys here. Let's quickly do it. I have my starch, the quantity that I need. This quantity is okay for me. Then put some water inside. You have to mix it very well. Then I want to add more water to it. How are you guys doing? I hope that you guys are doing great. Then put some oil, just little. Okay, this one is okay. Then mix and let's take it to the gas cooker. Let's go there. Here we are, guys. So let's turn on our electric cooker, just low heat. That is how we are going to be using to make this starch, so that your starch can come out well. This is our starch. It's ready. Ooh. This is the black soup that we cook. This is yummy. Okay, let me first of all dive into the snail. Let me draw the pot closer. Dive into the snail. Here is my head of fish, because I do not miss that part. Now this is my head of fish. Snail again. Okay, let me take some ring, and some protein and the body. I need dry fish. There is the dry fish. Where are you guys? Where is the dry fish? Eshaki? Where are you guys? Where is my dry fish? Okay, I found it. I found some of the dry fish. Okay. Oh, this is the food. Oh yeah, oh yeah. Come on, baby. Hello. Okay, guys. Let's try our food. Oh, you have to go back. I want to love you. I feel you, right? See you on our next video. I love you. Let me go and sit on that.